Hello and welcome. We are happy that you are following Vocafly. Here, you will learn English words, phrasal verbs, and useful expressions through fun readings and stories. Every video is a chance to improve your English step by step. Stay with us, stay motivated, and let's grow together. Don't just watch, subscribe now, and make your English better every day.
Let's begin our story.
Tom and the Brave Dog. Tom is a little boy. He lives in a small town with his mother, father, and his dog, Max. Max is a brown dog. He is very friendly and always plays with Tom. One afternoon, Tom and Max go to the park. The sun is shining, and many children are playing. Tom runs with a ball, and Max runs after him. Suddenly, Tom hears a loud cry, "Help! Help!" He looks around and sees a little girl near the lake. She is very scared. Her toy falls into the water, and she tries to take it. But the water is deep. The girl cannot swim. She cries loudly. Tom feels afraid. But Max jumps into the water. Max swims fast and pushes the toy back to the girl. Then he comes back to the land. Everyone in the park claps and smiles. "What a brave dog," they say. The little girl thanks Tom and Max. Tom feels proud of his dog. When they go home, Tom gives Max a big bone. "You are my hero, Max," Tom says. Max wags his tail happily. Answer the questions in detail to practice the story, and write them in your notebook. 1. Who is Tom? 2. What does Max do in the water? 3. How does Tom feel about his dog at the end?
Learning English is not just about studying words, it is about opening new doors in life. Every day, when you learn new vocabulary with joy, you become stronger and more confident. Step by step, your English will grow. By reading short stories, you don't only improve your vocabulary, but also your pronunciation and speaking skills. These stories help you understand English in real situations and make your learning fun. Our channel is here to support you on this journey. Subscribe now, because every lesson you take is an investment in yourself. Together, we can make English easier, more enjoyable, and more useful for your future. Let's learn and grow together. Rocket Books.